Ivytopia finally released the metallic section of the Ivytopia drop, so I was able to pick up a few pieces. I've picked up everything but the shorts. The first thing I picked up was the button-down shirt, which has two pockets at the top and buttons running up the middle that are covered so you can't really see them. I quite like this top. It was super comfortable. I like the way that it felt. I picked up everything in a size large because I'm still postpartum. The only issue that I had, guys, is that I was boiling in all of this stuff, and I don't know if it has to do with the lights that I was using to film this or just the material. It is quite a thin material, but it does have like a mesh underlay underneath everything, and so I was just boiling in everything. I do like the way that the shirt looks, and I think it is quite versatile. There are a few different ways that I think that you could style this top. It does come with adidas stripes running up the sides in this pretty kind of silver metallic color. And I got it to go with the jogging bottoms, and I also picked up the jogging bottoms in a size large, and you can see that they fit quite nice. They're a decent length and they have like a cargo detail on them, so they've got two pockets up the sides and then an elasticated waist. The waist isn't adjustable, but I didn't feel uncomfortable or like I needed the adjustments really, so it fit fine. And it has adidas stripes at the ankles. It doesn't run all the way up the leg, so it's just a little detail at the bottom. So I felt super comfortable in these two. It is a bit roomy around the crotch area. I don't know if you guys can tell, if it just felt that way, and so there was a lot of heat production in that area, but otherwise it felt fine. There are mesh pockets that don't have zips, and overall I think together with the shirt, I think it looks pretty cute together. So I was pretty impressed with the trousers as well. Then next I picked up the jacket. Now Ivy Park always do really good jackets. So this coat was full of details. So there's an Adidas logo on the wrist, and then it has kind of like these yellow details on the hood. So I'm kind of thinking that yellow might be the next color scheme that's coming up. Let me know what you guys think, but I think yellow might be up next again. It does also come with a hood that's hidden in a zip, which I will show you guys, so you can hide it or you can have it out. It's up to you. And then it does have a zip that runs up the middle. I was able also to discover that it does have zips up each side too, so you can always wear it like with all three zips undone. It kind of gives the jacket a bit of shape. It does also have these elasticated adjustments around the waist. So although it doesn't have like a tie, it does have these buckles that you can adjust to make the waist cinched. So I like the jacket. I don't know if I'd wear it all together. I'm actually pretty certain that I wouldn't wear it all together. I do feel a bit like I'm going to space, but I think separately, the coat maybe over the top of something else, or the top and the jogging bottoms with a different coat, I think looks cute together and is actually quite wearable, which Ivy Park isn't always, although very cute, not always wearable. The coat does also have pockets that have a few details on it, which you guys saw. So there's plenty of places to put stuff, and it is more of a light jacket, so I'd be interested to know if it's waterproof. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but if it is, it's a perfect rain jacket, something that's pretty light and that will keep you warm because of the material, but you won't feel like too heavy or bogged down with it on. So I thought that the coat was cute. I wouldn't say it's one of their best jackets or coats. There have definitely been better ones in other drops, but this one is not bad. So next I have a jumper. I think it's described as a jumper, but I will put links to everything down in the description. And this, I think of everything, is probably my least favorite. There's nothing wrong with it. in particular, but I think it's probably the least versatile of all of the pieces. It does have a zip at the breast bit, at the chest, that you can undo, and it is similar to the jumper that was included in the Ivy Park drop that was for snow. I can't remember what the name of it is off the top of my head. Icy Park. It is similar to the jumper that was in the Icy Park collection. So it's as you'd expect. You kind of put it over your head, and it's got a zip at the neck and across the chest, and then it's got adjustments at each side of the hip that you can kind of use to make it a bit more bubbly or have like a rounder shape. It does also have a hood. I don't believe this hood can be hidden like it can be on the jacket or on the coat, so it is a hood that just lays out, and then it's got 2 zips at the side where you can put your arms, and I paired this with the joggers as well, and I think it looks cute together. It definitely is an outfit. Guess you could wear this maybe over, if you're going to the gym or something, you could put this on the top of your outfit and kind of make a statement but kind of be practical at the same time. So it's definitely a good looking jumper. I was really worried that I would just feel like a piece of walking foil in all of this stuff, and I didn't, so I'm impressed with that. As you can see, it also does have yellow detailing. So now I'm thinking about it, maybe the next color isn't yellow, because I know yellow was included in this Ivytopia drop. So maybe it's kind of playing off that, but I wouldn't be surprised if yellow is next. But it does also have the Adidas stripes up the sides in a darker silver, which I actually think I might prefer that kind of color of silver, that kind of shade of silver. And then it's got little knots on each of the adjustments for the hood. I do also have a giveaway open, guys. If you guys check out my last Ivytopia video, then all of the details are in that video, but I also will put details down in the description for you guys to check out. It's really easy to enter, and it will close when I reach 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, do check that out. Do make sure also that you subscribe, guys, if you enjoy videos like these. Do let me know what you think of this Ivytopia drop down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.